From being hunted for exotic meals and medicines to now being provided state protection, pangolin, the endangered mammal, is once again back in the headlines. China has course-corrected and removed this animal from its list of traditional Chinese medicine. But it still remains the world's most trafficked animal.
The world's most heavily trafficked wild mammal is the pangolin. Also believed to be the possible host of the novel coronavirus, despite the lack of scientific evidence. According to traditional Chinese medicine or TCM, pangolin scales are believed to promote blood circulation, remove stasis and diminish inflammation. The wild meat is also a delicacy for China's wealthy elite and the world over. That perhaps explains the anteater's status as the most trafficked mammal. Protected under international law, all of 8 species of pangolins found in tropical parts of Asia and sub-Saharan Africa are now on the brink of extinction. Understandably enough, China has removed pangolins from its official 2020 listing of traditional Chinese medicine. The move comes shortly after the Chinese Forestry Authority gave pangolins the highest level of protection in the country. Here's why the decision is crucial for the mammal's dying population. According to the conservation group Wild Aid, every year as many as 200,000 pangolins are consumed in Asia alone. Last year, 130 tons of pangolin scales were seized in cross-border trafficking busts. The figure represents up to 400,000 pangolins. Moreover, the endangered animal is a victim of coordinated trafficking effort. According to C4ADS, a Washington-based think tank that monitors illicit wildlife networks, more than 14,000 pangolins have been seized by custom agents at Asian border crossings in the past 5 years, with the majority of seizures happening in China, India and Vietnam. In the spotlight ever since the COVID-19 outbreak, pangolins have been found to carry strains of coronavirus similar to COVID-19. And even though China shut down the Wuhan wet market in January, a suspected place of the virus's origin, scientists are still unclear about the pangolins being the virus carriers. But the pangolin's link with COVID-19 certainly has a silver lining. A significant drop has been reported on pangolin seizures ever since December 2019, when the coronavirus outbreak happened. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.